In the beginning, when the cosmos was a swirling expanse of potential, there emerged the primordial deities, Gaia, the earth, and Uranus, the sky. From their union sprang the first generation of gods, the mighty Titans, and among them was one whose essence was wisdom and order itself, Themis. As a daughter of the primordial forces, she was born not of chaos but to tame it. From her very inception, Themis embodied divine law, unshakable custom, and the natural order that holds the universe in balance, a serene and sagacious presence destined to shape the age of gods. When the Titanomachy concluded and Zeus ascended to the throne of Mount Olympus, he sought a consort who could match his power not with force, but with profound insight. That consort was Themis, his second wife and most trusted advisor. While other gods vied for power and prestige, Themis stood steadfastly by Zeus's side, her counsel a guiding whisper that helped him establish his dominion. It was she who brought structure to the divine assembly, ensuring that the often tempestuous gods adhered to a code of conduct. Her wisdom was the bedrock upon which Zeus built his reign, transforming raw power into just authority and maintaining the delicate equilibrium of the Olympian court. But Themis's influence extended far beyond the celestial halls of Olympus. Her voice was meant to be heard by mortals as well. Descending from the heavens, she appeared before the fledgling human race to bestow upon them the foundational principles of a civilized society. She taught them the sacred duties of hospitality, the importance of piety towards the gods, and the tenets of good governance that allow communities to thrive. From her union with Zeus came the Horae, the goddesses of the seasons and the orderly procession of time, and, in some tellings, the Moirai, the fates who spin, measure, and cut the thread of every life. Through her and her children, Themis wove the very fabric of cosmic and social law. Themis was also a powerful oracle, her voice echoing prophecies that could shape the destiny of the world. Her most pivotal moment as a seer came after the Great Flood, a cataclysm sent by Zeus to cleanse the earth of its wickedness. Only the righteous Deucalion and his wife Pyrrha survived, adrift on a vast, silent ocean in a single wooden ark. In their despair, they prayed for guidance, and it was Themis who answered. She instructed them to throw the bones of their mother over their shoulders. Puzzled but faithful, they interpreted her riddle correctly. The mother was Gaia, the earth, and her bones were stones. As they cast the stones behind them, the rocks transformed, springing to life as a new, hardier race of men and women, ensuring the rebirth of humanity under her watchful eye. The legacy of Themis is not one of epic battles or divine wrath, but of enduring principles that form the foundation of our concept of justice. Her symbols, the scales representing the careful balance of fact and fairness, and the blindfold, signifying impartiality, unswayed by influence or power, have transcended myth to become universal emblems of law. She is the embodiment of undisputed divine order, a quiet but formidable force whose decrees govern both gods and mortals. Themis remains a timeless figure, the eternal voice reminding us that true power lies not in might, but in the unwavering pursuit of justice, order, and truth.